How to download a document from WhatsApp to your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download a document from your WhatsApp to your PC or laptop. So now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is have the WhatsApp app on your laptop or have just open up a web browser, head over to the web version of WhatsApp and simply log in into your account. So after you've done that, all you now need to do is head over to the text and find the document. Now, after you find the document, you will see the download option right there. Now, all you now need to do is tap on the download button and it should start getting downloaded as you can see right there. Now, let it download. And after this downloads, all you now need to do is tap on Save As. After you tap on Save As, you will get to choose the file location here. I'll just add it to my work and simply tap on Save. Now, after you tap on Save, it will get downloaded and it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.